Hello and welcome to this Power Automate in a Day tutorial, 2025 edition. My name is Dr. Flo. I'm also known as Serge Luca. I'm a business application MVP based in Brussels. I've been MVP for 18 years. The context of this tutorial is the following. The goal is to guide you through learning Power Automate step by step. And this tutorial was initially created in 2018 for the Power Automate team, and I did update the tutorial every year. It is hosted on GitHub, and by the way, don't forget to download the resource file necessary for the exercise. And in this version, I'm transitioning to a video format because it's easier to create. Now, I promise that I will provide new and more advanced exercises in the coming weeks and months. Enjoy. For instance, this is a developer tenant that I did create. I've several users in this tenant. So if I take a look at this one, user one, for instance, here I can see that user one has a Microsoft 365 license activated, which give access to different services like Exchange, Outlook, SharePoint, and Teams. But also, here down below, you should find Microsoft Automate for Office 365. Okay, you even get Power Apps for Office 365. So make sure that this license are activated. If you create a developer license, you will get another license called Power Automate, Microsoft Power Automate Free, that give you more premium capabilities. We'll do that together in Lab 8. If you do this, you will also get the Microsoft Power Apps Plan 2 that give you more premium feature for free in the developer environment. Before we start doing the exercise, you need to have some context or some background of Power Automate. There are actually two versions of Power Automate. We have Power Automate DPA. DPA means Digital Process Automation. That means cloud. So with DPA, we are going to create cloud-based workflow. And this workflow usually are linked to an API. And the second version is Power Automate Desktop, which is an RPA tool, Robotic Process Automation tool. This training covers Power Automate Cloud, the DPA tool. It does not cover Power Automate Desktop. So with Power Automate Desktop, you can automate tasks that you perform on your desktop. Power Automate Desktop is free to install for Windows 10 users and can be pre-installed on Windows 11. However, Power Automate Desktop is a more fragile architecture and create more fragile flow. And this should be a last resort option. So the first option is check if you can automate your solution by using or by creating workflow with Power Automate DPA, Power Automate Cloud. If it doesn't work, then you might rely on Power Automate Desktop. Okay, but again, this training focus only on Power Automate DPA, means Power Automate Cloud. There are three types of cloud flows that we can create with Power Automate DPA. The first one is instant cloud flows. Instant cloud flow means that the flow will start immediately. Like you have an application, You press a button on this application and immediately a workflow starts. The second type is scheduled cloud flow. Scheduled cloud flow means the flow starts by itself, so you can schedule the workflow. You can say, I want my flow to start every Monday at 4 a.m., for instance. And the third type is automated cloud flow. Automated cloud flow are triggered after an event. An event which could be something like if a record is created or changed in the database, I want my flow to start immediately. So we will create these three types of cloud flow in the tutorial. Now I think you are ready to move to the first exercise.